Professor Baxter? Guys? Professor... Where are you guys? Yeah, come on in, guys. I'll be right with you. Hi. Yeah, hey, you guys are all here for the tour. That's awesome. How's everybody doing? Good to see you. My name's Taylor. I'm a volunteer here, so, you know, they don't pay me. That's okay, because I get to work for Professor Elias Baxter. I'm sure many of you have heard of him. Unfortunately, Professor Baxter is currently missing, but I'm sure he'll turn up any minute. So I tell you what, I'll start the tour for him, and then, you know, he can take over when we catch up with him. Probably the best bet is just to tell you a little bit about this room. This was the ancient ceremonial chamber for the great god Poseidon. That's that guy right up there. That was until one day his trusted high priest, Darkanon, that's him in the back, he sealed the chamber walls and killed everybody inside as a sacrifice to the Dark One. Not a very pleasant fellow, that guy. So that bloody night resulted in Darkanon being granted great powers, right? Power enough to challenge Poseidon himself. And there was this huge battle between the two of them. They're all... Never mind. And they say that the souls of the dead still haunt this very place. That was a dolphin. Anyway, apparently there are secret chambers just like this, hidden all throughout this entire area, but aside from this, we haven't been able to find anything. And then last night, the professor radioed to let us know that he found some kind of secret message right here in this room, and then after that's when he disappeared, and we haven't been able to find him or the message. Stuff like that keeps happening. Not a big deal. The professor's work light right over here. We'll get this thing going and we'll be all set. Okay, so what I was saying, when we first came in... Hang on a second. I think we found the message here, huh? Okay, let me see. Behind this wall, the demon sleeps. An ancient evil held in keep. Poseidon's power contained the beast, but he too perished when battle ceased. Let none disturb this chamber wall, or loose the dark, and then lose all. But if this evil you do release, then seek the trident to restore the peace. For he who holds the trident gold has Poseidon's power for all time stole. That is awesome. Oh, that's the lights coming back on. All right, we'll be okay here. There he is.
Is anyone there?
Yeah, Professor Baxter. It's me, Taylor. I've been looking all over the place for you. I started your tour.
Taylor, what are you doing in there? I ordered everyone out.
No, sir. I was looking for you. Nobody told me about out.
Get them out.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Guys, listen, I'm really sorry about this.
Hurry, Taylor, hurry. This may be my last transmission.
On behalf of Global Discovery
a safe place. Second thought, nobody move, things can't get any worse. They're worse. Kids with blinky shoes, go. No, they're not quite bright enough. Alright, let me see if I can get back over to the work light. That was me. I'm sorry. I don't know why that's even on. Professor? Guys? Hey guys, that's not funny with the whole eagle laughing thing.
Who has awakened my secret sleep?
This lady right here in the front row. Very sorry she woke you up. We're gonna go ahead and talk to her about that. Make sure.
Silence! You search for your master.
Yoda? You mean the professor? Yeah.
Come then! Follow in his steps.
No, thank you. The professor said we should get out of here. I think that's probably. Can't you guys just hear big noise? Guys, secret chamber. Look at really
Welcome, mortals, to your destiny.
Oh, you guys are just heading in there, huh? A hole opened up in a wall. You're all just walking through it. I mean, for safety reasons, really can't stay very long, right? But we'll take a quick look around, head up to base camp, get a whole team together to come check everything out. Those guys are really good at what they do. And there's all kinds of cool artifacts in here. Did you see this? Look at this, one of those lamps, like from the storybooks when you're little. You rub the lamp and nothing good ever happens, so we'll just leave that there. But there's tons of other cool stuff. Probably the best bet's not to just run around touching everything. What is that? No, wait. Hey, listen, don't let those doors close. Guys, that's the only way out, though. I still have all these people in.
You should have heeded your master and escaped while you could. Now you will never leave.
Huh.
Unless you find Poseidon's trident.
Okay, obviously there's been some sort of misunderstanding. These folks are here to tour. We don't know anything about a trident or Poseidon or any of that.
Poseidon, my mortal enemy. He sleeps in this tomb, hidden from my eyes. But soon I shall find him. Thanks to you.
What? Oh, hang on a second. What do you mean thanks to me?
You spoke the spell aloud.
The thing in the
You
other
freed
room?
me from Poseidon's spell and from this ancient chamber of death. Now,
Chamber of death?
either find the trident.
Hey man, I don't know anything about it. Okay, you know what? Open those stupid doors.
Find the trident, or take my secrets to the grave.
Professor Baxter. Guys, if you can hear me, somebody open the doors. Okay, new plan. Maybe I can pry the doors open. Let me see if I can get this thing out of here. Come on. Yeah, that'll work.
Who calls upon the goddess, guardian of the temple?
Me, Taylor, Global Discovery Group.
You hold Poseidon's trident in your hand.
What?
What is your request of me?
Wait, this whole thing is Poseidon's trident. Is it really?
What is your wish?
Oh, that's awesome.
I shall not ask again.
Yeah, sorry. We all want to get out of here, get back home to safety.
Alas, it is beyond my power to grant you passage back to your world.
Why?
The Dark One has sealed the doors to this chamber with a locking spell impervious to magic.
So how do we get home?
The way home is now impossible.
No, not impossible. You said you're a goddess. There's got to be something you could do.
All is not lost.
What does that mean?
While I cannot help you back to the surface, I can provide you with safe passage deeper into this
Thank
temple.
you. We don't want to go deeper. We just want to get out of here. So I'm going to use this to try and pry the doors open. Sorry.
Listen.
That sounds like the ocean.
Quickly, we have precious little time. Bearer of the trident gold, prepare to journey into the heart of this temple, into the chamber of Poseidon. Are you brave enough to make the passage under?
Yeah, what do you say, guys? Brave enough? Yeah.
Then witness now the power of Poseidon.
Okay.
Lord of the seas, I ask for your care. Safe passage grant for those who dare.
Oh, okay.
Open up your oceans, swing wide the door, let the waters rush and the oceans roar.
Oh, hey, look. Look at that. The wall's moving.
For now is the time, with fortune unplanned, your trident comes home.
Yeah.
Return to your hand.
Oh, it's a door. Guys, there's another door. We're getting out of here.
Move
Right,
quickly.
sorry. Okay, everybody. Alright, listen. I have no idea what's down there, but the governor says it's safe, right? Let's just go quick before it closes. There's a sun and a moon, you know, together at the same time, right? It's just like 6 p.m., I guess. I don't know what that means. Past that, I don't really know. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I thought I was gonna get us home. Now we're stuck in this room. I just want to take a second to say for the record, if we're trapped in here forever, you know, my bad. We probably should have waited for the professor.
No. You've done well, Taylor. You have brought back something very dear to me.
Oh, you mean the trident? We found that in the other room.
Follow my voice and bring that to me. Fear not, for I am...
Poseidon! At last! I have waited centuries for this moment. Now I will destroy you, them, and your precious trident once and for all! No! Lay on my protection! I do! I am Draconon, and the power is mine!
Oh, this is it! Guys, the Temple of Poseidon! I gotta get this trident up there before Draconon gets his hands on it! Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
By the power of the Dark Ones, I order you, give me that trident!
Over my dead body.
With pleasure.
Wait, what? Okay, Poseidon. A little help here, huh?
Poseidon
Wait.
cannot help you now!
Listen, we can talk about this. Maybe not. Okay, seriously, big guy. I could use some help right now. Never.
Give me that trident! Give it to me now!
It's not gonna happen.
Then, die!
Die. Okay. Okay. I'm okay. I gotta get that trident up to the statue quick. I think that's our ticket out of here. You guys hang on, all right? We're almost...
Trident is mine.
Oh, yeah? I don't think so.
Stop! Give me that trident!
You want it? Take it from him.
Now you will pay for your murderous ways, Poseidon! I will destroy you! I will destroy all! Beginning with your precious mortals! Your power is no match for mine! Your time is over! Impossible! No, Darkanaut! This is your fate! Never! This battle began 1,000 years ago. will end it here! Once and for all. So weird. No, we cannot end like this. The only way through. Farewell, Dark One. It is done! You must go, quickly! I grant a safe return to your world. Farewell! You are under the protection of Lord Poseidon. Now go!